Hello there. Hi. It's hot. Hey everybody, it's me Shree and welcome back to my channel. So I know that I was supposed to have this video out ages ago, but your girl was just going through some things. I was going through some things and I kind of lost my mojo, and as well as that my computer was broken. But I'm not here to make excuses. I'm here to introduce this video. So yes, it is my long-awaited room tour. I'm just going to be showing you guys my new home, and yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy watching. But before we get into the video, remember to head down below, like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta.
So the first thing that you see when you come in is what I like to call my dining area and my kitchenette. So we'll just start here. This is kind of where I chill out, where I eat food. And this little table here was here when I came, and I love it because if I do that, it kind of expands out and then collapses down, so it doesn't take up too much space when I'm not using it. But I also have a decent sized table to put my food when I'm eating, or you know, put my computer when I'm working on it, whatever I decide to do in this area. And then this little armchair was also here when I moved in, and this pillow I got in Saustrian and green, and yeah, I love it. Yeah, so that's my little dining area. On this wall over here, let me go a little bit closer, I've got my Decenio poster, which is just a map of the world. I really love it. It is a little bit lonesome on this wall, so I might get more posters to put there. I'm not 100% sure yet. But as we go over here, we've got the kitchenette area. And then I've got my fridge here, which I just kind of put a bunch of my pictures that were just loose there. And then in my fridge I've got like a little freezer compartment which is just full of frozen vegetables at the moment. And yeah, so this is my fridge, and I keep my roller in there. And then beside the fridge I've got the mirror, and then on top I've got my microwave and my toaster, my kettle, and then all my cutlery and chopping board and everything. This is probably the thing that annoys me most. I just hate seeing all these wires, but obviously I need an extension lead for down here so that I can plug everything in: the microwave, toaster, the kettle. So I'm thinking about maybe getting one of those things that hide leads and cables and stuff. I don't know what they're called. If you know what they're called, let me know down in the comments below, and also let me know where I might be able to get them. I've got my fruit basket here, which I got, the basket itself I got in Tiger. And then I've got my one little lonesome mug, and this is my kitchen area. Oh, I nearly forgot. This is my pantry, and this little cart, I'm gonna call it a cart, this comes from IKEA, and it just slips in right there beside the fridge. And then if we go over to the left here, you've got my favorite part of the room, well, second favorite part of the room. This is the fireplace. I just feel like it just breaks up the room and ties it all together at the same time. I love this piece of artwork here. It was also here when I moved in. And then I've just got my faux kind of succulents here, and then some candles, and this spray right here. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So my room literally always smells so good between this spray and these candles. So good. And then this faux plant here, I think I got in IKEA as well. And then the fireplace, I love this. So I obviously can't have a proper fire, but I've got this little candle here, and when it's lit and in there, you close this over, it literally just, you can't tell me it's not a real fireplace. But yeah, I love this. And I love all the detail that's here. Like, it is just so beautiful and so vintage. And if you know me, you know I love anything vintage. So like, just the detail up here and even here, like, it's just so beautiful. And then I've got a little lantern here and my little rubbish bin. And then right adjacent to the fireplace, I've got just an open space. As you can see, the floorboards are a really nice, rich wooden color, which I love, because all the furniture, so you can see the wardrobe, the bed, and my little storage unit here, it's all white, so it really just kind of, it's a good contrast, which I really love. But yeah, so I've got this little rug here just to kind of add something to this open space. And I got this in Pennies, and it's okay. I don't know, I just feel like it is a little bit cheap, so I probably will get a better one, but for now it will do. I just don't really like the quality of it. I feel like it sheds a lot, and yeah, it's not great. But then I've got my wardrobe here, my little laundry basket here. But yeah, this wardrobe is great. It is a double wardrobe, and it fits literally everything that I own. And we have come to my absolutely favorite part of this room, and it is the bed. I love this bed. It is so comfortable, super comfortable. Oh my, I just love this bed. Like, I actually struggle to get out of it sometimes. But yeah, so I think that it is a double or queen size. I'm not even sure. I think it's a double. I think it's a double size bed. And I've got just loads of pillows here. I only use one pillow. I don't know why. I'm strange. I can only sleep with one pillow. So I take all the other pillows off and throw them onto that chair over there, and I literally just sleep with the one. And I'm still figuring out what I want to put over the bed. I might just also leave it as it is. I don't know yet, but we'll see. And another function that I absolutely love about this bed is that if you pull this up, we've got extra storage, and then you just pull this back down, and then you've got a bed again, which is great. And so then over to that side, in that corner, it's kind of ugly, but it's okay. I've just got like a little nightstand, and it's got a little lamp, and I've got my diffuser there, and then I've just got an extension lead. And then here you'll see how big my window is. It lets in a lot of natural light, and I've got Venetian blinds as well. I love Venetian blinds so much. The one thing is that obviously this is the front of the house, and I'm just always so nervous that, you know, people are gonna look in and, you know, see me. And so I only ever really open up this one and that one kind of like a little bit sometimes, and then I leave that one closed. But yeah, and then over here I've got the entertainment slash vanity slash desk area slash storage unit. It's a 4-in-1, and I've got this Samsung television here, and it is not a smart telly, which is completely fine by me. I just hook it up to HDMI, and then I've got this mini display port for my Mac, so I just hook it up to my laptop, and yeah, I've got television. And then this is just my desk area. I don't have a chair yet. And then here I love this collage. I did this, it was a DIY about a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago now, when I was doing up my room back in my parents' house, and so I just brought them with me. It's 2 separate collages, but it's just of some of my favorite memories with some of my favorite people, and so I love looking at this every morning when I wake up. Yeah, and so there's that kind of just breaks up the 2 halves of this little unit here. And then over on this side I've got my vanity area. So guys, that is my room. This is my new home. I hope that you guys enjoyed me showing you guys my space, and yeah, if you guys have any comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.